Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are making this super delicious, super simple Thai red curry. Really quick and easy to make, you'll get it done in under 10 minutes. As always, a list of ingredients will be down in the description below, so check them out to see what you need. First thing you're going to need is a little mini chopper or a food processor. We're going to get one slice of red pepper, so about a quarter of red pepper. Cut that into small pieces and add it to the processor. I've then got one red chilli, which I've de-seeded. You can leave the seeds in if you want it extra spicy. Next up we go with a little handful of coriander, stalks and all. A teaspoon of sugar. Now this is a kafir lime leaf. Now you can get these in the supermarkets, but if you're struggling you can get them on the internet. If not, just use the juice of one lime. Next up we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and half a teaspoon of some lemongrass paste. You can use fresh ingredients if you like, but the paste just makes this situation so much easier. A tablespoon of soy sauce goes in there for some saltiness, and then just give that a good blend together. Now once that's blended, you'll see that it's quite watery and quite wet, so the way that we get around that is we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give that a blend together and you'll see that it's thickened up really well and it's ready to fry. So into a frying pan, I'm adding about a tablespoon of some olive oil, and then you're just going to add your paste mixture to the oil. You want to fry this for 2 or 3 minutes. It's really important you don't skip this stage because you need to cook out that tomato puree because it will change the flavour and really intensify. So after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add 1 whole tin of coconut milk. And then we just want to bring that up to the boil whilst mixing, and then we're just going to simmer it for 2-3 minutes. So once that's simmering, you want to add your hard vegetables. So if you were using carrots or pepper or something along those lines, this is where you'd add that first, because obviously they take longer to do. I'm just using some baby corn, because I think they're absolutely delicious in this recipe. We're just going to simmer that away for probably 30 seconds to a minute. Now my protein of choice for this is prawns. You could use chicken, you could use any meat you like really. If you are using prawns, just remember they only take about 3 minutes to cook. You don't want to overcook prawns because they'll go like rubber and they go like hard like bullets. And then just before it's cooked, probably 1 minute before, this is where you want to add any light vegetables. So I've got some nice mange too here. You could use some runner beans or some other form of beans or something like that, but it just adds a nice little bit of crisp to the recipe and a bit of freshness. And then all we do is just serve that up, and we're just going to garnish it with a little bit of coriander. And there you have it guys, really simple Thai red curry. You've got to give this one a go guys, it can be cooked easily with under 10 minutes. Really impress your friends, and it's an absolutely delicious quick meal. Thank you very much for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video.